manhandling the table.
Just one-handed ripping that thing.
You don't know your own story.
No, I don't.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Stephanie. This is Kaden, and this is Real Talk Real Estate.
Today's video, we are going to be kind of recapping the whole year.
Mm-hmm.
When this one comes out, it's basically going to be
The new year.
the new year.
Mm-hmm. Well,
Yeah.
very much.
1 day left, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is going to be, our Reggie real estate market overall for 2025, and we'll be comparing it directly to 2024, including year-over-year changes, so you can really see what shifted.
Yeah, see where the gaps were, see what rose and what fell, and good comparison before you head into next year.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So we'll start with new listings because that, all the time, it really sets the tone for the market and how it's going to go.
Mm-hmm. So 2024, we had 2,213 new listings.
In 2025, that increased to 2,358 new listings, which is about a 6.5% increase year over year.
Yeah, so I know at some points it felt throughout the year like there was still a huge lack of listings.
Mm-hmm.
There's still an increase over last year, and so buyers still did have more choices this year,
Mm-hmm.
but it was still a pretty damn crazy seller's market.
It was. Well, and I mean, compared to last year,
Mm-hmm.
we've been realtors for a couple of years now,
Yep.
but I know last year it was difficult. I had a lot of buyers that were wanting to look, but I mean, you get a group of buyers and you have 5 people that are all looking for the exact same thing.
Mm-hmm.
And there's only 2 houses on market. None of them like them. So
Yeah.
it was difficult for sure. So it is nice that this year we did have a few more listings on the market. So a little bit more option for people to get out and look at, which was good. But yeah, still felt like maybe there wasn't enough.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Now when we look at sales, that change was much smaller.
Yeah, so 2024, we had 1,820 sales.
And in 2025, we saw 1,789 sales, which is about a 1.7 decrease, year over year.
Sales did drop and inventory increased. So on paper,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, it looks like
Yeah.
it was a more balanced market, but I wouldn't say that was the case at all.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, yes, like sales dropped, inventory went up, but when you break down the kind of inventory that was coming up and the sales that were happening, you were getting a lot of higher priced inventory
Mm-hmm.
that was not moving because you had a ton of people that bought higher
Mm-hmm.
that are now downgrading essentially into that lower
percentile.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, so going off of that, one of the biggest shifts from 2024 to 2025 was pricing.
$371,966 for 2024 was the average price.
Mm-hmm. In 2025, that jumped to $405,412, which is roughly a 9% increase year over year.
Which is pretty big. Like, that's a solid increase.
It is.
But, I mean, looking even 5 years back,
Mm-hmm.
we've been on a steady incline throughout. Like, it's probably been, I'd say, 7 to 10%
Mm-hmm.
on average each year going up, which is awesome growth to see.
Mm-hmm. Now going over into days on market. So this is another stat people care about.
So 2024, average days on market was 35 days.
In 2025, that dropped to 32 days. So 3-day difference, but it's about an 8.5% decrease year over year.
Yeah, which, I mean, 3 days seems small, but it's a pretty good drop for sure. Like, overall, everything's sold faster, and when you're priced right and you're marketed properly,
it'll go.
You were going to sell.
So for buyers, 2025 required a bit more urgency than 2024.
Yeah, so even though prices were up and homes are selling faster, if you're waiting too long, that very well could mean almost at any point of the year that you might be missing out.
Mm-hmm. That said, increased listings still gave buyers options, just not unlimited time.
Yeah, and for sellers, 2025 was stronger overall compared to 2024.
Yeah, higher average prices, quicker sales, and solid buyer demand.
But pricing still mattered overall. You needed your pricing strategy. You had to be set. Because even though the market was great for sellers, if you came in overpriced, you felt the extra inventory around you right away.
Yeah,
buyers would immediately go around you and wait until those days on market came on because...
So when you look at the year over year numbers, the story is pretty clear.
Yeah, so recap, total listings were up 6.5%. Sales only came down 1.7%. Prices up 9%. And days on market down 8.5%.
That points to a healthier, more confident, and we don't want to say more balanced, but on paper, like Caden said, more balanced Red Deer market in 2025 compared to 2024.
Yeah, that's where it's hard. If you're only looking at the big, broad numbers on paper, everyone's going to start to say and think that it's a balanced market, which in general, yes. But you have to break it down more than that.
I mean, being in the market.
Your price ranges, your housing types, detached, semi-detached, townhomes, like it really breaks down so much more into those separate values.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you're thinking about buying or selling in 2026, these year-over-year trends really do matter. And if you want to know how this applies to your specific neighborhood or price range, reach out at any time. We would love to help you out.
Yeah, but that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm stealing your line. This is new for me. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notifications so you don't miss out on our videos. You do not want to miss them.
They're good.
They are very good. Yeah, but we will see you in the new year.
Yeah, we'll see you in the new year.